How to remove text from video and InShot. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from any of your project videos using InShot. So as you go ahead and pull up your current project that you want to have to create, even if you go ahead and look for that specific feature on removing text, even for background remover or even for mask tool, you will not be able to directly choose it from here. So what you want to have to do before creating a project on InShot is to pull up your preferred web browser on your mobile device. And from the box, simply type in remove text from video and then choose the specific link that will redirect you into Photar. Now in here, scroll down and under remove a text from video, choose on this option here. And you will automatically be redirected into Photar's official site. Now upload the video that you want to have where you would like the text to be removed, mask it over, and then download the file and then go back into your InShot. And that is how you remove text from video in InShot.